Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are ready for a new tutorial. I was looking back on my most recent videos and I've never done a really pigmented purple look, if that makes sense. I always find that purple seems to be a really hard shade to create in a palette. Does that make sense? No. Anyway, point being, I wanted to do something that was really vibrant purple, so that is today's tutorial. I haven't done a full cut crease in a while either, so yeah, that's kind of what today's look is on. Just going a little bit different so it's not the same. So yeah, it's all very glam, but you know, still keeping it quite wearable. I don't know if I would call this wearable actually, but you never know. Different people call different things wearable. I would go out like this, so I count it as wearable. If you'd like to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought. Please click subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos, and please give the video a like because I like to know that it's liked, if that makes sense. And yeah, I won't keep on talking, we will just get straight into the video. Okay, so for today's tutorial we're going to use the Lick and Lash Beauty 35E palette, and I'm going to go into this middle purple shade, and this is just going to be our main colour, so I'm going to run it through the crease onto the lid, kind of just packing it on everywhere really. You know how it is. I'm also just going to take the purple this way a bit, into more of a triangle shape than I have been, because that's the shape we're going with. And then I'm going to take a couple of the pink shades, so I'm going to take, which ones did I use? Okay, so I'm going to take this light pink shade, and I'm going to take this hot pink shade. I really hope you can see that. And I'm going to use them pink shades just to blend out that purple. I'm then going to take the darker purple shade just to deepen that crease colour a little bit more. Honestly, I just feel like I say all the standard jargon, what everyone else says, but really I just throw makeup on my face until I think it looks good. That is the truth. I'm a fraudster. I'm then just going to take some foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to use this to cut out the crease, and I'm going to take it the full way to the end of my brow. I'm then just going to go back into that dark purple shade and also into the black, and just deepen up that crease further. I'm then going to take this like pinky shimmery shade in that palette, and I'm just going to use that shade on top of where we cut the crease. It's not super pigmented, but it does like a wash of glitter, which is like actually quite pretty, which you will see now. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner and just draw a wing. And then I'm just going to take the NYX Vivid Bright Eyeliner. This is in the shade Vivid Blossom, and I'm just going to, I never know how to describe it, but like half line the crease and my liner like I've done here. It's like really subtle because it's like a similar colour to what's on my lid, but I just thought it'd be like a subtle way to do like graphic liner that's not kind of in your face and like quite wearable, I think. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do this on camera, but like if you don't see much of it, it's because I have to go like this to the mirror. I'm then going to go into the NYX Glam Liner. This is in the shade Glam Platinum, and I'm just going to use this to line the wing that we made. I just did this for like, I don't know, something a little bit extra, but obviously completely unnecessary as the majority of things I do. And then for lashes, I'm going to take the Olivia Belle lashes in Chelsea. Okay, I've just tried to put an eyelash on top of an eyelash. Right, okay, so that is where we're at. Right, let's try again and try and stick it on the right eye this time. Okay, so that is the top of the eyes done. I will do the rest of my face and then I will be back to finish the look. Now for the lower lash line, I am just going to keep it simple just because I think some of my more recent ones haven't been that simple. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to first go into the KIKO Smart Colour Eye Pencil. This one is in the shade 07. And I'm just going to run this along my waterline. And then I'm first going to go in to that middle shade and run this along the lower lash line. And then I'm also going to take that darker purple shade just to, you know, darken it so it's not like, I don't know, so it like matches the top, I guess. I don't know. And then on a fluffier brush, I'm just going to take them pink shades that we went with on the top and use them just to smoke it all out. so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought of it. If you have any requests or questions, please note them down below because I will reply. Give the video a like and subscribe if you did enjoy. I appreciate it very much. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you once again so much from the bottom of my heart for clicking on my video and watching it, because I do really appreciate it. And I will see you in a few days. Thanks everyone. Bye.